In this third part of video, we will discuss about the loan activities of bank. Bank is a financial institution which deals with money and credit as its regular course of business. It accepts deposits from the depositors and grant loans to the needy borrowers for various purposes. It provides safety to valuables of customers, accept deposits and grant loan. There is an interesting mechanism that works over here. Banks keep only a small proportion of their deposits as cash with themselves and use the major portion of the deposits to extend loans. There is a huge demand for loans for various economic activities. Banks mediate between those who have surplus funds and those who are in need of these funds. Banks charge a higher interest rate on loans than what they offer on deposits. The difference between what is charged from the borrowers and what is paid to depositors is their main source of income or profit. Banks in India holds about 15% of the deposits as cash. This is kept as provision to pay the depositors who might come to withdraw money from the bank on any given day. This is called cash reserves. Credit refers to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods, or services in return for the promise of future payment. Let's see how credit works through the following two examples. First is the festive season. In the first example, Salim obtains credit to meet the working capital. The credit helps him to meet the ongoing expenses of production. He completed the production in time and increases his earnings. So credit has a positive role in this situation. In the second example of Swapna, the failure of crop made loan repayment impossible. She had to sell part of the land to repay the loan credit. In this case, pushes the borrower into a situation from which recovery is very painful. This situation is commonly called debt trap. Let's work these out. How do banks get the money to advance loans? Question 2. What is the profit of the bank by advancing loans to the borrowers? And question 3. What is debt trap?